Well, look what I found here. I found some wireless earbuds from Aldi's going down the ALDI Finds aisle. This is the Bauhn True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds, and this is what's next. Well, I'm going to be honest. I am not a fan of these earbuds. I've tried so many different versions of these things. I don't know if this is going to be any different than what I've tried before, but I figured, you know what? I'm willing to try something new. For $15 while I was going down that aisle, I knew for you guys, I had to do it. So there's the True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds, not in a box. It's in one of these cards with some plastic covering the buds, which I thought was interesting. They keep the buds separate from the case. Just to give you some idea of what I do wear, I mean, I will wear headphones like these. These are from Wise. I really like the sound quality from this set of headphones. And then when it comes to smaller portable, I do these earpods. Again, always kind of looking out for earbuds. I'm always thinking that at some point, possibly, these might work. $15, much less than, let's say, the Apple AirPods or whatever the ones that Samsung brings out. You know, I'm not willing to pay multiples of hundreds of dollars for something that, honestly, track record hasn't been great. All right, let's see what this has got. We have the Bluetooth wireless connection, and it says auto pairing, which would hopefully be the case. 7 hours of playtime. That's not too bad for earbuds, especially at this price range. IPX5 waterproof and wireless charging. Now that is interesting. So maybe there isn't a USB cable in here. Let's check the back. We have, let's see, utilizes the latest, or one of the latest, Bluetooth version 5.3, high-speed stable connection, it says, up to 10 meters. True wireless stereo technology. It says that it synchronizes your mobile device for auto pairing as a set or used as independent earbud up to 33 feet. Earphones with a full charge will last up to 7 hours. We already talked about that. And a standby time of 40 hours. Again, we have that IPX5 water resistant rating. So I'm going to guess rain isn't going to affect these too bad. Compatible with Android, Microsoft Windows, and Apple. We have, let's see here, where is that date? Usually they put a date on here of when they're releasing it. Oh, yep, there it is. Next to the big UPC, it looks like it's July of 2025. And then the model number is RQ2422. 3-year warranty. Let's get these earbuds out of their case. We have my scissors right here, and let's see if we can do this without making too much of a mess. Maybe, is it possible? Yes, okay, so now that we got that kind of working, we can just go ahead and... What are your thoughts on packaging like this? Not a fan of it. Alright, we have some instructions. And we do have a USB cable, USB-C to USB-A. So we have those ear tips. There is our case. So there is one earbud. There is the other earbud. All right, let's take a look at one of these real quick. There is the connector to do the charging for the battery that's internal. There surprisingly is some weight to this. I'm kind of surprised. I've had some that have been like there's no weight at all. So that could be a good sign. Same thing with this one. If we look at the case itself, we'll open that up and you can see that down there we have our connectors for the pods themselves. And now it says wireless charging. I think they're referring to these, not the case. So might say that that's a little misleading. I was assuming that the case was wireless charging, which that would have been very interesting, but it's not. There is no wireless charging with the case. They're referring to the buds themselves. When you charge up the case, then you obviously can do the buds. Let's see here. Do we have any power? And I don't know if you can see that. There they are. So there's the, it's showing 4 dots, but I'm not sure what that represents. Let me look at the manual real quick, and I will report back to you here in a moment. Well, it doesn't really say anything in here in regards to the lights on the case, but it does say that you want to put the earbuds back into the charging case and close the cover of it. The earbuds power off and start charging automatically. So, but it doesn't indicate. I'm going to assume that this has got a full charge. That would be the 4 lights that I'm seeing right now. We're going to double check to make certain that these are paired. It does have a touch panel, so I don't know if you see that here, but it has a touch panel on either side. So it says during music playback, basically a 1 touch to play and pause, 2 to skip, 3 to go backwards, and long press to activate your assistant. So here's some other parameters. Here it's saying 7 to 8 hours at 40% volume. The earbud battery capacity is just 40 milliamps, and it says charging case battery capacity is 450 milliamps. So pretty small battery. I guess it's time to pair these earbuds. You can tell I have quite a few Bluetooth devices. Let's add another one. So I'm going to open up the case, and we are looking for RQ2422. Here it is. Going to connect to that. And we are now connected. I'm going to basically give myself just about 24 hours with these and give you my final results in the conclusion of this video. So for you, a moment. For me, a day. See you soon. All right, for the past 24 hours, for you, I have tested these earbuds with an MP3 player, an iPhone, and 2 laptops, a MacBook and a Windows device. And I have listened to music and videos. I even made a phone call with them. And I edited part of this video while wearing them. First, I'm going to give you the good news. I don't find the fit of these earbuds as annoying as the prior earbuds I have tried. They felt comfortable. Best of all, they didn't fall out while I was walking the dog. So that's a bonus. But you know what? That's where it stops. Depending on the device I paired with, the volume was all over the place. On this MP3 player, the first time I connected to it, the volume was sufficient and the sound reproduction was decent, you know, for $15. But after reconnecting, I had to turn the volume way up to hear the music, and the sound was all mids, very little high notes, barely any bass. So I'm not really sure what happened there. But it gets better. When I attempted to make a phone call with my phone using these, it lasted for about 1 minute until the person on the other end of the phone said they couldn't hear me. So I wanted to see what the sound was like. So this is a sample of the audio recording coming from the earbuds. This is an audio recording from the Bauhn True wireless Bluetooth earbud. What do you think? All right, as you can hear, that isn't very good. Listening to YouTube videos and editing this video was mainly okay for now. You know what? I'm gonna stick with my over-the-ear Wise headphones and AirPods that I talked about at the beginning of the video. They work for me. Well, that's a wrap for today's episode. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And to stay current on any future videos that I will be posting, go ahead and click the subscribe and bell notification icon. Feel free to watch one of my other videos either here or here. And until next time, I'll see you again for another episode of Hey, What's Next?